guys, so welcome to my home office. So right when you enter, this is how the space looks. So right next to this door, I have this huge map here. Now, this is in fact one of the first things that I got for this room. And you guys know that I travel quite a bit, and I love to actually spot places and to see where all I can travel. And in fact, I do have a separate channel all for travel. So do go and subscribe to that channel if you haven't done that already. So now, yes, in this room, this is actually one of my favorite things to do. Just stand here, look at the map, and see, like, where all I can travel. So guys, now because this is the office space and a lot of people come here, like if I want to meet someone in the house for to discuss business or to discuss work, so usually people come here and I need a space for others to sit, which is why I have this sofa here. So guys, the sofa is also pretty helpful for me because I sometimes like to just sit here, read a book, or just sit here. So for the flooring of this room, it was actually pretty boring. It is pretty boring. It is the mosaic kind of a flooring, and I wanted to add a pop of color in this room. So I added this beautiful rug. Now I really like this rug because it not only adds a pop of color in this room, but also this is made of leftover fabric. So yes, it's a very sustainable piece too. I got this from Amazon for really cheap. I think it was under 2000 rupees or something. By the way, all the links and everything, like what I got from where and everything, will be in the description box. So if you're interested in any particular piece, then do check the description. If I've got it online, then it will be in the description. Now coming to the most important part of this room, that is my workstation. It's very, very basic, guys. I like to keep my desk very empty, very clean, and very, very basic so that it doesn't actually distract me. So I do have a gallery wall kind of a setup here, and all these things are something that really inspires me, motivates me, or reminds me of some good things in my life. So yeah, that's what this whole gallery wall is about. On my table, I have this very basic black lamp, and then I have some stationery items that I use on a day-to-day basis. So it's really basic, nothing really fancy about it. Now coming to this gallery wall, like each of these pieces I collected from different places. Let me tell you a little bit about each one of these. So this and this I got from Delhi, from the Banjara market. You guys would have seen this in my Delhi video. And this here is a dry leaf which I found outside my house and I got it framed. And this was a gift from my friend Ishrat when she visited me here in Bangalore. And this frame, I got this framed, and these symbols means explore, learn, create. So I think generally it goes well with my principle in life, so I got it framed. Again, this one here, it has grateful written over here because you need to be grateful for whatever you have in your life. So yes, it's something just to keep me grounded. So yes, that's why I have here. And this one, it says ready to take off, which I believe you and I are ready to take off. And this here, I know it looks like a lame trophy just chilling over here. Well, by the way, this here is actually, it is symbolic to a gold medal because in my college when I was doing law, I got this trophy. And this is basically like in my college, we didn't have the gold medal system. We had silver sterling trophy. So the actual trophy is really huge. And they gave me this trophy to take back home as a memory. So right next to my desk, I also have this whiteboard here, and I have markers also for that. Now I think this is one really important thing in my room because I like to write everything, see it and plan for it. Like even if I'm making a video or something, I like to write it, like how I want to visualize this video. And this also helps me to tell anybody who's working with me on the video about like what exactly I want. So yes, that's why I have this whiteboard. Now coming to the curtains in this room, I wanted something really plain but something that is cute. So I got this ruffled curtain. I got this from Instagram. It took almost 1.5 months to reach me. But anyways, I quite like it. So yeah, here it is. So here I also have a box. Now this box I keep for a lot of different things like products, like any PR packages, or if I have any products to shoot for pictures or for like videos. So I keep everything in this. Now coming to the left side of my room, actually this is one of my favorite parts in this room. And here I have this palm tree and I've tangled some fairy lights on this. And for the basket, I got this basket from West Side. You guys saw the vlog and you were asking me where it is from. Well, it is from West Side. Now coming to this ladder rack over here. Now this looks really nice, but honestly it was a pain to assemble it because this didn't come with installation. Like when you get furniture from Amazon, do check it if it comes with installation or not. Because to install this it was so difficult, and in fact we even broke a little bit and then we managed to get a carpenter and then fix it. But anyways, this is how it looks. And on the first shelf I have a picture of me and Amod. This is from our wedding. This is from our Bangalore wedding. And next to it I have a souvenir from Singapore. This actually Amod gifted me. This was one of the first things that he got from me from Singapore. And this is just a hair accessory which I got from Bhutan, and I have a golden Buddha here. Now here I have a jewelry holder. This one I got long back from Chumbak and I never actually got to using this, but I quite like it. Now if you can see here, more than jewelry I have watches. I have some of my watches here. Now I don't know if I've told you guys about this, but I really like watches, and watches are the only accessory that I wear on a everyday basis. Even now I'm wearing a watch. Well, this is the Garmin Instinct, but these are all like dress watches, some formal watches. Okay, now coming to the second shelf, here I have this really pretty hanging plant. I don't know the name of it. I got this from my mom and it's so pretty, and but it needs a lot of lighting. So usually I don't keep it here. I sometimes keep it in the balcony for some lighting, and then I get it here for vanity if I have to make videos or something. But yeah, I really like this plant, and all these plants in my room, they're all real plants, so they need a lot of care and attention. So the next piece that I have over here is this tray, and it says explore more, and I got this from Amod's parents. So it's really pretty, and I quite like this quite a bit. And even this one I picked up from my in-laws place, and this is just a shell that they had. And again, some more shell here, and this one my friend Sonakshi got this from me from Maldives, so I just kept it here. So I think this place has a lot of beachy vibe going on, because even on this tray it's written explore more, and it has a ship. So yeah, probably like some aquatic theme here. I didn't realize it till now. Now coming to the third shelf, I really don't have a lot going on over here. I have this basket. I've had this basket since 2011, I think, when I was in college, and it's still going really steady and I really like it. I just keep some knickknacks over here. So yes, I have some sunglasses, some nail polish, and blah blah blah. And I have this pot over here. I had a plant for my table, but then it died, so I just kept it here. I have to get something else for this place. Now coming to the fourth shelf, now this is all my equipment. I have my gimbal, like this is my phone gimbal. I have my lenses, I have my old camera, I have my GoPro. I have a lot of equipment over here. And coming to this last shelf, here I have an elephant. Now this one I painted myself when I was in Chennai, and I have some books. Now in one of my videos I told you guys that I have stopped buying books. So yes, this is all that I have. I used to buy books before this, and I used to read hard copy, but now I prefer to listen to books or read it on Kindle. So yes, this is all that I have, and most of them are actually self-help books because that's what I like reading now. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have in my home office. Now other than this, I have this space where I keep all my tripods, my light stand, where I have this light that's filming this video. But anyways, like this is where I keep everything else. And here I have my cupboard. So this is actually a 2 BHK. So Amod has all his things in the other room, and I have all my things in this room. So I do everything in this room. I need to get a mirror for this room. So yeah, probably that I'll get next month or something. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching this video and seeing what's there in my home office. I spent a lot of time in this room, and I also took a lot of time to actually decorate the space as per my liking. So everything in this room is based on ergonomics and very minimal actually, but yet inspiring and something that looks pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do give this video a like, and also do share this video with someone who is planning to set up a home office or a home working space. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye.